everyone, welcome on Keyapp YouTube channel. And as you could remember from our previous videos, finally we have launched our new platform and we really appreciate and thank you for all the feedback provided to our support and account managers, so we are able to transfer this to our team so to meet all the expectations of you, of our clients. And today we are going to continue the discussion of new platform, and we will discuss some available bonuses that you can get in our service so to help you to promote your applications even cheaper. And let's discuss the bonuses you can get on our platform so to broaden your promotion budget and promote the mobile apps cheaper on our service. First of all, it is needed to say that we have the bonuses for the payments depending on the number of funds you are going to add to your account balance. We can provide 5, 10, 15% for the payment, and if you add, for example, $1,000, you will get 10% as a bonus, so $100, and you can spend this bonus for all these services we have on our platform, like for keyword installs, high quality reviews, and for CPI campaign as well. In general, the bonuses that you get for payments or for some special offers are valid for 120 days and can be spent after the main balance is spent, and as we said, it may be used for any services. After this, it is needed to mention that we have different price plans, and using different price plans, you have different cost per install, and the price plan depends on your activity on our platform, so on how much you have topped up your balance within the time you work with the platform. So that's why it may be more convenient for you to add some higher amount at once, so to be able to get lower cost per install, but still remember that the minimum payment on our platform is $25 for you to be able to test and just try the service and get if this hits to your aims in keyword promotion or in app reputation management, for example. If to talk about the ways to top up the balance, we have different methods starting from credit card to PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and of course different kinds of cryptocurrency. And in general, the platform works the way that you top up the balance and then use the funds for the promotion, and the cost of the campaign is deducted from your balance, so you can control the budget you spend, like in my transactions, where you can check the spendings, as well as in the statistics, where you can check the spendings for each application for the needed period of time. At the same time, it is needed to mention that we have the bonus program, so for you to be able to get some bonuses after you have given the feedback about our service, for example, on Facebook and different developer forums, Google Maps, or if you even record the video to YouTube, so to show your experience with us. And all the details you can check in the section called bonus program. But anyway, if you have some additional questions, how to get the bonus, how the bonus may be spent on the platform, for which services, you can contact our support team or your personal manager and we will tell the details. Also, we have the possibility to work with referral program. So when we work with referral program, we give you the referral link that you may share with different people, for example, on your Facebook page, on some Android developer forums, and so on, and you will get 10% from the payments made by the users who have used your referral link when they created the account at our platform. In such a way, you can use these funds for keyword promotion, like mobile marketing available at our platform, or you can withdraw this money to your wallet and just use them in everyday life. So it is also efficient and convenient for you to work like this. When we work with referral program, we have the separate section where you can control all the users who registered using your link, as well as control how much they spent on the platform and how much you receive for their spendings on our platform. Do not hesitate to use our bonus and referral program so to be able to promote your applications and our service even cheaper. Still, if you have some questions about mobile marketing, keyword promotion, app reputation, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, as well as do not hesitate to share the feedback about the new dashboard here in the comments or just to our team. We really appreciate that you stay with us, follow us on YouTube, and we will add much more content about mobile marketing.